Welcome to Study Loop.
The formula to determine the mean of a geometric distribution is mu equals 1 over p, where p represents the probability of success, and the formula for standard deviation of a geometric distribution would be the sigma equals the square root of q divided by p squared, and q represents the probability of failure. And the relationship between p and q will always be that p plus q equals 1. So let's apply these formulas to this problem. In this problem, we are talking about 1 in 5 teachers becoming a teacher truly because of the summer vacation. So since we are trying to find the mean and standard deviation of those teachers that say that the long summer vacation is why they became a teacher, then our p-value would be 1 out of 5. So if 1 out of 5 teachers say the summer is the reason, then that means 4 out of 5 was not the reason. So our q value would be 4 out of 5. So we're ready to apply the formula to calculate the mean and standard deviation of this distribution of teachers. So the mean equals 1 over p. In this case, p was 1/5. 1 divided by 1/5 is the same thing as saying 1 multiplied by the reciprocal. So the average of this geometric distribution would be 5 teachers. Now let's calculate the standard deviation. Sigma equals the square root of q divided by p squared. The q in this instance is 4/5, and p is 1/5, and we must square that. And I like to clean up a little bit, so I'd have 4/5 divided by 1/25 when you square 1/5, which is the same thing as saying the square root of 4/5 divided by 1/25. And when you divide fractions, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. And if you multiply straight across the top, we would get the square root of 100 over 5, which is the same thing as saying the square root of 20. And if you pick up your calculator, then you would find the standard deviation of this distribution to be approximately 4.472. So just as a quick recap, the average would be 5 teachers, and the standard deviation would be 4.472.